Okay, I got this code here to send a different exercise test to every student, and I explained it in the last post. Now I want to make a little add to this code, because here I got my this function here that make me send my um, the email to my students. So I want to change it, and I want to make something like use tkinter to activate this command here, so that I don't have to run the script, but I when I run it, a window appears, and it says if you want to send your work to the student, just press this button. So I will do just this basic stuff, and okay, so I'm gonna comment this, and I'm gonna create a window. Because I think it's more practical and give me time to think about it. And in another post, I will make something on this Windows to make some changes to the code, and maybe also to give a different text to be sent to my students. So in this code here, actually what I did was to send to my student, each of my student, a different code to access to an exercise on the internet, so they can put their code, personal code, to understand who they are. And yeah, and so this code here does just this. And as I told you, you can see, you can look at my post that I made lately, and I will leave a link on this post too, and in the info of this video. I'm gonna save this as send code by mail to. And now I created the window with root.tk, and now I create the main loop that we always need to have at the end of the code for the window. So now I'm just gonna put a button here, and so something very simple, tk dot button, and I wanna it is the first argument is always the main widget, that is the window. And then I'm gonna put in the pack, I will use the method pack to see it, and the text will see send the email to each send email, just like this. And I wanna put a label where I say what I'm going to do, pressing the button as a user. So the first argument is always root, and then text equal, and click the button to send the personal code. Let me go to a new line here. Okay, and let me, as always, make the label visible. I can give also some color here to the label, maybe, to make it more nice and visible. And I will use BG as background color, and gold as color. Here I got to put a comma, and we're good to go. Let me check out. Okay, now you can see here that I see my exercise, etc. because of this, because it prints a solution, but it did not send the email because it's down here. And so in this way, if I leave the code like this, you will see, you will have this doesn't work actually. You will have your code, so you can take a look at what you send, and you see the different codes here, and the solution of this is the solution of the exercise, I guess. And if I remember, yeah, because you see here there is this simple, you just have to, okay, I changed it a little. Okay, your code is this, exercise is here, and okay, right, what is plus, okay, you give a code, you give an exercise, and this exercise here is okay, format. The first variable is the code, and then I'm gonna give num1 and num2 equal, I can also, okay, I got here the numbers. I can make something a little bit easier. Okay, let me see if it's top. Okay, I forgot this num1 and num2. So I'm gonna pass the code and the exercise. So okay, you can see how is okay, I just this is not plus, but okay, how is 1 for 3? It's 3, 21. Okay, so here I get everything I need, and you see for every student I get one personal exercise, and I have the solution here, and I also have a link down here that they can click when they receive the email. So now all we get to do, but you don't send email, so all you have to do is to click the button. So I just have to go here and go command equal send, and def send. I'm just gonna go and do this function here. Okay, so now I can take some time to think about sending the email. If I see something that I don't like, I can just go back and change the code in here, and I could also make something like also change the schema, maybe schema, and I I could go and create also a text. Okay, as you can see now, I can send email and I get my text here, so I can see how is the structure of this, and maybe I can go and change this so that I can change it from here, and maybe I can go and make it a little different. Let me see how can I do. I must, let me say that I go here to exercise number 12. I forget to put this inside, and so when I send the email I want to send it like this. So I'm gonna change this one, because this one is gonna take let me see where I use this schema here. This is the way where I format things and save the solution. And let me try this to put this one into a okay, it works just like before, but now when I go and click the button here, I want to send instead of here I want to send text.get so let okay, now it works like before, but now I should be able to change it right here, not definitively. And so I'm gonna also do another button here, button 2, and with this button 2 I want to go to new schema, I want to create a lambda function with this here. Okay, to see if I can change it here and do, for example, test number 2, let me say that I want to make something on the go. Sorry, I want to change the name here. Watch. See, new schema. Okay, so let me, you see here I don't have written here test number 12. Let me see if it works. Test 12. Okay, I got it here, but I don't have it in the solution. So let me fix this. So when I go to new schema, here in the solution, maybe append, what is this, the pen traccia, and the traccia is the schema format. Let me see if I run this again. Okay, print solution. It con I'm guessing why solution. Okay, I guess that I'm gonna take these two lists here and I'm gonna put this one here and it should work. So let me see, I go here and I test 12, see the new schema, and you can see here now in my solution I got it. Now the only thing that I have to do is, so if I'm satisfied with the new schema, I'm just gonna send the email. So that is my little graphic user interface for this application to make it a little better. And I remember, go and check my latest post to see how I made the previous version. And so see you next time. Thank you.